In this SuperHero AI review, I'm going to be showing you a software that's going to give you access to all these expensive AI tools all in one dashboard. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades, how you can get a discount on the offer you see on the sales page, and on all the upgrades. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals and upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out SuperHero AI, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. It makes you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. We've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says SuperHero AI. Unleash every AI superpower from one single dashboard. Access the world's first AI app that gives you all the powers of a digital superhero and replaces all expensive AI tools with just one super dashboard. It says create AI, 4K images, voiceovers, chat with any file or website using AI, add studio quality effects, deploy AI assistants, write content, and unlock powerful tools like web chat, AI chat image, AI vision, AI article wizard, custom chat assistants, and more. All built with the most powerful AI models on Earth, like ChatGPT, ChatGPT-4 Turbo, Gemini, etc. All these different ones listed here. So essentially what they're doing is they're tapping into the API, which makes it a lot cheaper for them. And they're actually having that savings go forward to you when they're offering it to you. And I know that they're able to do that because I've seen other similar softwares like this before, and that's how they're able to offer it. They can actually offer stuff that normal people can't get access to because they have the API developer's license. So they're able to offer that to you. Now, it says here, step 1, enter the super dashboard. Step 2, choose your superpower. Step 3, deploy, create, deploy, and dominate. So you're gonna be able to pick what tool that you want to use inside of here. It says create AI 4K images, cinematic 4K images, voiceover, AI assistants, and more. Step 2, you've got all the different engines inside. Step 3, these aren't really steps here. These are just things that it includes inside of it. The knowledge hub, the social media creator, bilingual creation, dashboard, all these things all included inside of the software. Now I'm going to scroll down through most of this as you can look at it on your own time. On the sales page, you're going to see the offer here, and what you want you to do, it says it's normally $14.95. If you move your mouse away, you get a discount on it. I make less as an affiliate by showing you that, so please hit that like button. I appreciate it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more, then I'll come back and show you the OTOs and discounts.
Hey, you're backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? There is no way for you to lose here. With that being said, take the plunge. Click the button below right now to get a copy of 1A 2.0 at the lowest one-time price. We'll see you inside.
Meet the most powerful AI platform ever assembled, SuperHero AI. A single dashboard, a full army of intelligent tools at your command. No learning curve, no waiting. Inside, you're not just getting access to AI, you're unlocking your very own digital command center. Equipped with tools for writing, designing, speaking, coding, and automating everything in your online business. From high-converting content to 4K AI visuals, from cinematic voiceovers to entire websites and chatbots built in minutes. SuperHero AI is built for creators, entrepreneurs, and digital warriors who demand more. Need help with research, writing, ads, branding, SEO, or scripting? SuperHero AI gives you access to over 50 specialized AI assistants, each trained for a specific task, ready to respond instantly. And under the hood, you'll be commanding the most advanced AI models in the world: GPT-4 GPT Turbo, Gemini 2.0 Flash, Gemini 1.5 Pro, DeepSeek V3, and more being added regularly. Want visuals? Turn plain text into hyper-realistic 4K images with DALL-E 3 HD. No design skills needed. Just type, click, and create. Need voiceovers? Just type a few words and generate studio-quality voices in over 50 global languages, including accents and emotions. Want to read a PDF? Extract insights from a link? Or understand what's inside an image? Just drop it into SuperHero AI, and it responds like a genius. And when you're ready to go hands-free, Activate the automation reactor. Schedule your content. Bulk create videos, voiceovers, and social posts. Auto-publish to your platforms. Let AI work in the background while you sleep. This isn't just another AI app. This is SuperHero AI, your all-in-one plug-and-play system to write, design, build, sell, and scale faster than ever before. No monthly fees, no overwhelm, no experience required. Just raw AI power at your fingertips. Ready when you are. Ready to unlock your superpowers? Click below and activate SuperHero AI now.
Okay, so we are back. Here is the first upgrade you're going to see. This is going to give you the Pro models. It gives you a bunch of Pro templates, brand manager, all these extra features inside of this one. But what I want you to do on this one also, move your mouse away, you get a $10 off discount. Again, I make less as an affiliate by showing you this, so please hit that like button. I appreciate it. Next one you're going to see is it's an automated version of this. Again, move your mouse away to get a discount. Next one is you're going to get even more credits, 8K images, etc. So you can do even more stuff with this. Move your mouse away and get a $30 discount. Next one is Titan level voice power. So this is clone, clean, and control any voice. Again, you know what to do. Move your mouse away and get a discount. Then you can unlock all the different features. Again, move your mouse away. They've got another one here where you can actually get a reseller license. You can get a $100 off discount for this one. Then they have one here where you can unlock AI video model. So if you want to do video marketing, you can get a $50 discount off that one as well. And the last one, it looks like you can promote this and get 100% commissions on this every front end sale, 100% profits on every front end sale, 50% on the 8 different high converting OTOs. Move your mouse away, get a discount. All these are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about SuperHero AI? What don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, when you have access to something like this, you might prefer actually working with the original AI software. So if you like working with something like ChatGPT, you might prefer working with their actual infrastructure. So that might be a negative for you. What do I like about it? This is kind of a neat idea where they're able to pass the savings forward to you to get access to all these different AIs. If this is something that you'd like to play around with, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my SuperHero AI review. If you'd like to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video.